Hello, in this video tutorial I would like to show you the process of upgrading Fudo from version 3.4 to the current version 3.8. To start upgrading process, please log into Administrative panel first. You need to log in as Super Administrator user. By default, that Super Administrator account is called admin. The next step is to check if you are not running any active sessions because they will be disconnected during the upgrade process, and please ensure that disk statuses are marked as a green color. In my case, there is only one disk because I'm running that upgrade process on the virtual machine. It's also very important to check which version you are running right now. In my case, it's version 3.4. If you are running lower version, please contact your partner or Will Systems support team to get the link for the latest upgrade of Fudo. If the device conditions are correct, we could move to the System tab, Upgrade, upload the file that has been delivered by Will Systems support team or your partner, wait for a while, the file is being verified, and if the file is uploaded correctly, you could run the upgrade check process. This is the dry run of the upgrade process. So in that case, you could ensure that the upgrade process will be successful or not. Now we need to wait for a while until the process is not finished. The upgrade check process is also checking your configuration and the settings given in Administrative panel. So it means that if your configuration is not compliant with the current version of Fudo, you will be informed about it in the log file that you could download. If the process is successful, like in here, you could just go further and click the upgrade process. You need to remember that upgrade process will need the reboot of the device. It means that if you are running the virtual machine with the disk encryption, you will be asked for the password for the disk encrypting. It will be shown on that video. In case of using the physical appliance, you need to remember that at least one USB key must be inside the USB port of your server. Now I need to provide the password for the disk decryption. You could see that upgrade scripts are being applied, and the machine has been booted in version 3.8.